Last weekend, I had the opportunity to volunteer at the American Association of Woodturners annual international symposium in beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina. The AAW claims that this is the world's largest woodturning event, and although I'm not much of a woodturner myself, I only turn replacement parts for pieces I'm repairing, I was curious to see how a 4-day event could be devoted to turning. I figured I would see nothing but a bunch of bowls and pens, but wow, was I wrong about that. I had not planned to make this video when I signed up to work the event, but after being blown away by all the extraordinary works of art and taking 1,000 photos to share with everyone in my group chats, I thought why not share it with everyone else. So sit back with your favorite beverage or snack and prepare to be awed by true creativity and artistry. As is the case with most conferences, there was a trade show. Vendors from all over came to show their products and give demonstrations. I won't spend a ton of time walking you through the trade show. A lot of it was the same things, just different brands, but I'll highlight some of the cool features of it. Tools, tools, and more tools. A lot of species of exotic hardwoods. Pen blanks. Weird. Pontiac Silverdome's been gone for like 10 years. This is cool. Attendees had a chance to make their own pens. If I understand this correctly, they're going to be giving these lathes away to kids after the conference. God. And now for the fun part, the gallery. Attendees were invited to bring 3 of their own pieces for display. And although I'm starting off with what is probably the world's biggest bowl, 2 meters wide, this is what taught me that turning is so much more than just bowls and pens. There was a silent auction of equipment and some wood pieces. Never did figure out who it benefits. I assume the AAW. And now on to the main gallery. I hope you enjoy looking at these as much as I did. This may be my favorite piece in the whole gallery. A sombrero cut from thin wood and sandblasted so you could see through it. Please take a moment and share in the comments what piece is your favorite. There's a special section set up with pieces that attendees could touch and feel. A section for first-time exhibitors. And a section devoted to students. There is no way I could do this. Each year, attendees are invited to create and donate bowls and other items that are then sold for $25 each to benefit a local charity. This year's recipient was the Bull City Woodshop, a local nonprofit organization that teaches woodworking skills to kids and adults in the Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, North Carolina area. If you would like to learn more about the Bull City Woodshop, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Each year, the association hosts the works of two emerging wood artists who have demonstrated potential to make significant contributions to the field of wood artistry. It felt like a museum in this section of the gallery. There was also a section of pieces in which people got to vote for their favorite. I voted for this one. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking at these as much as I did. I'll be back next week with another restoration video, and I will see you then. I'm out of here.